So this video is about how one can get prelims questions correctly even without any knowledge about the topic. So this question here is about the Chaushat Yogini temple, a seemingly difficult question, but here observe option 2. Here it says it is the only circular temple built in India. Can this be logically correct? What if I had a circular temple in my backyard? What if you had personally built a circular temple? So this option cannot be correct. Logically, it just cannot be correct. So if you are able to eliminate option 2, okay, so automatically what happens? You can remove option A, you can remove option B, and you can remove option D. So this directly gives you the answer C, and you did not have to use any knowledge in being able to get this answer correctly. So this is how you use common sense and very simple logic to get answers in prelims correctly even when you do not have any knowledge of the topic.